Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error 403 forbidden access to this resource on the service is denied in WordPress. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now refresh the page. Again you see error. Now try to open admin panel. Again you see error. Now go to hosting. So we are in cpanel and we are in file manager. Now you see .htaccess file. So we are going to delete it or rename it. Right click on it. If you want, you can delete or rename. Now you see .htaccess file and then add one and then click on rename file. And then you see file rename done. Now back to website and open again. Now you see our issue is fixed. Now go to admin panel to create .htaccess file again. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see setting and then you see permalink, so click on it. Now permalink setting open and then you see post name different option. Just click on save changes. Now setting saved and then you see message permalink structure updated and after that .htaccess file generated. Now go to cpanel again and then you see reload, so click on it. Now you see new .htaccess file and then you see time. Now back to website again and refresh the page. Now you see our website is working fine. So just delete .htaccess file and generate new .htaccess file. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.